Welcome to this video about performing an effective job search. In this video, you'll learn to create a 4-step job search strategy. The job search process requires you to be focused and targeted on what you want. Blindly applying for jobs online without adequate preparation is not going to work. To be effective for your job search, you need to have a job search strategy. It includes knowing the jobs you want, where the jobs are, and using a people engagement method to succeed in your job search. Here are 4 key steps to building your job search strategy. Step 1. Know what you're searching for. When you have a clear job focus, your effort and attention will be directed and targeted, and it would pay off with better results. If you do not know what your job focus should be, you can ask trusted friends about what you're good at doing and complete a career interest and skills assessment on My Skills Future to understand your preferences. You can also keep track of the job roles that excite you and reflect across the job roles to understand what makes the jobs exciting for you in order to better understand yourself. Step 2. Know where the job opportunities are. Go beyond online job portals. Use your networks to explore job opportunities and seek referrals from them. Use different job sources for different levels of jobs. For example, if you're looking for a senior management role, work with headhunter recruitment agencies and activate your professional network to open up hidden opportunities. If you're looking for an entry-level operations role, reach out to friends and informal sources, such as Telegram groups for opportunities. You can also use job portals like My Careers Future to see jobs with high or low applicant rates to get an indication of your chances. Step 3. Build a job search plan. A job search plan has a clear job focus, specific jobs and companies that you're targeting. It helps you track your job applications, and you're reminded to engage people related to the job to learn more about the job and gain direct referrals to the hiring manager. Share your plan with others and seek their help to support you. Remember, as tedious as this sounds, it'll make your job search better. Step 4. Enhance your job search tools. Like a fisherman who needs a rod and bait, you will need job search tools such as a customized resume, a professional network, a professional brand, adequate interview practice, and the right skills. Watch the other videos in the series to find out how you can enhance your job search tools. To help you get started, refer to the attached job search plan template to start your job search and track your job applications today.